Hey guys, we are going to SM Rosales and may bibilhin lang kami. Wala pa akong kilay. Makeup na ako. Doon na lang sa sasakyan. And I will be using this NYX Addis Ababa on my lips. Tapos mag-lip tint na lang ako later kapag... Ano ba yun napindot ko na kapag magta-touch up na ako later kasi alam ko mabubura to eh. We're here on Tananing. We're here. Ay, yes! Kulangot pa more. Candy corner na naman. Anong gusto mo, ate? Yan. Hindi yan yung kinakain mo. You want the beans? Jelly bean? This one. Oh, don't touch. Ito. Mayroon ka pa gummy. O gummy. Patingin nga po. Oh, tatlo lang po. Tapos, what else? Yeah, just get one. Because that's disgusting. Just get... No, don't touch. Ate, isa lang po. Just get one, okay? Because it's disgusting ang tanong. What else? How about this one? You want the gummy banana?
Banana.
Strawberry. Yeah, and the cola. No, don't! What do you want? This one? Dalawa lang po. Pang tikim-tikim lang niya. What else? You want the worm? No? What? No? What? Dalawa din po. Is that enough?
Yeah.
May 100 grams na ba yan natin? Wala pa. Dito po, ka-price po niya. Ay, this one ate, oh.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Peppermint candy. O, bigay mo muna sa atin.
Ilang piraso ito mo?
Tig-dalawa po. Ito yung emoji, oh. Emoji. Don't touch.
I want the black one.
You want the black one? The heart.
I like the hard one.
This one, the lips, ate.
Ooh, lips.
Get the red
I
one.
want the red.
Yeah. May 100 grams na yun, ate. Wala pa.
Try po natin. I think that's enough.
I think that's enough daw. She thinks that's enough. Tatanong si Bebe Kels kung sino daw ang may socks. She wanna go to Kidzuna. They're gonna play there. Where are they going?
We're going to Kidzuna.
Kidzuna.
And have my gummies here.
You're gonna go with? Sino sasama sa'yo? Sino sasama sa'yo?
My father.
My father? I'm gonna go with my father daw. Hindi mo naman siya father. Father ko naman siya. He's your grandfather. He's not your father, ate. Lolo mo, si Lolo. Father daw niya. Feel na pa yung father. Excited masyado. Oh, you tell Lolo you pay. Come on.
Say Lolo.
You pay, Lolo.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
So many things.
What? Magkano po 30 minutes ate? Ay, 1 hour minimum ka no? You're gonna stay here for 1 hour. Wanna go inside now?
Look at that, something funny.
Let me see. Sorry. Oh, come here ate. You teach Lolo what to do. Ata na. You wait for Lolo, ate! Pang! Dito kami sa Ace Hardware. Bibili kami ng gamit nila Sassy. At ni Maxi.
Wag.
Para daw kay Sassy. Sayot.
At saka yan ang damit niya. Magbe-betting siya.
Tapos mag-bathing suit daw siya.
Ginit yung ulo.
At yun yung purple, na favorite ni Bebe Kels.
Tapos doon yung ginatang kong color na idin eh. Jaganda.
Kakainin niya yan. Ay, di kalakas
Kung lumulusot, ganito ang bilhin mo, Jen. Kung lumulusot siya,
One day
pati yung
body,
katawan niya.
ang tawag dyan, body something.
Oh, kasi
Tapos
lumulusot
bilhan
yung
natin siya
ulo
ng
niya.
ganito niya. Oh, kung maubos bal niya to.
Ay, hindi na. Bayaan mo na yung mga sapatos doon. Takbo-takbo na lang niya.
Sasi! Sasi! Wala sira agad to. Una dahil ko man eh. Ito etiquette ko ni for Sasi. I want the best for Sasi. Char.
Kasi malambing yun eh.
Oo.
Ay, ang 239.
Ito yung cute ka ron. 239. Eh, buti nga si Sasi, hindi siya nagkakasakit. Di kayo gumagastos sa vet. Yan. Sasi, ang ganda-ganda ng ano mo ha.
Or datoy.
Pag yan ginat-ngat mo lang, ewan ko na lang sa'yo.
Or this one.
Tapos bilhan natin ng ganito si Sasi.
Kahit ko kami na ginuran mga nakatali iso na. Dala pati color na ko mga.
Color lang bang problema nyo? Ito, para kay Sasi. Parang hindi bagay ni Sasi.
Pas lang ang uwi ko mga naikatiri.
Tapos yung ginatang pati ba mga.
Nagarte. Wow, may light na.
Ito na lang, mas matibay ka. Ang inat-ngat ni Maxi. Baka nasa
Hindi kasi tayo, ayun niya dito eh.
Joker. Hango manay.
Ang umanay, dadati ulo, dadati pagtapating ka.
Ito,
Redmi.
violet.
Yung maganda naman kay Sasi, para pag nag-walking kami ni Sasi sa school, maganda siya. Kasama ko siyang magja-jogging.
Malaki ito for big
Ayoko kay Maxi. Kung may igahawid ni Maxi. Masyado siyang mabigat. Tsaka malakas. Hey everyone!
Today we are Kitsuna today.
Yes, we are in Kitsuna today. Nalaro siya ng ice cream. Kinulit niya si lolo niya. Si lolo niya unang nagbantay. Kaso pinalitan ko si papa kasi madami pa silang bibilihin na kailangan. And it's already 6. Kaya medyo nagmamadali na kami. E dito lang siya masaya sa ice cream niya eh. Kitsuna. You wanna go to the slides, ate? You wanna go to the slides?
I already go to school.
You already went there? I want the strawberry ice cream. I want the cone. Fix it. Thank you. Ang sarap naman. I want more. This purple. This one. Yes. Put it on the goblet. Thank you. This is so delicious. I want more. Okay, add more. Okay, that's enough. I think that's enough. Now I'm feeling so well. Thank you so much, doctor. What will you say? You're welcome. Oh, this is scary. This is scary. Look. Tingnan nyo guys yung mata niya. Halika dito. What are you doing? What are you making? Some sushi. Let's make. Can you make me some sushi here? Where's the shrimp? What do you want to buy? We have a customer. What do you want to buy? You talk to him. You talk to him. What do you want to buy? What? What? You want sushi? Here's the sushi. Here's the sushi. And we put some ice. We put some shrimp. Show them your sushi. You get the rice first and then put it on the top. You get the rice? No, the rice first. That one. Here. And then put in the toppings. The shrimp or this one. This one. Put it on the top. Just like what I did here. Put it on the top. Here. No, here. Burger, ate! I think you're making a burger. Burger sushi. Here, put it here. Antana, put it on the top of the rice. Just like that. One more rice. How about, oh, look at this. This is so nice. Yan. And then, get that one. Okay, good job. What do you want to buy, Balong? What do you want to buy? Come on. Anong gusto mong bilhin, kuya? What? What do you want?
This one.
Oh, this one. Here. Here's your order.
This one.
That one? You want that one? Who wants this one, baby? Serve this one. Here's your order, kuya. There's no money here.
Hello, hello. Is anybody like burger shop? Hello.
Does anybody want burger?
Does anybody like burger?
Bili na kayo.
Bili na kayo.
Do you want burger, kuya? You want burger? Oh, he wants burger.
This
Yan. Oh, ito pa, oh. Yung bread, kuya, oh. You do it together. Hi. What's your name, kuya? What's your name? What's your name? My name? Miguel? Miguel? Caleb? That's tomato. You put tomato, ate. Okay. How much would it cost? Okay, serve it now.
Just making it fine.
Here's your order, kuya.
I want
Go to the other shop.
yeah. To the fruit shop.
Fruit shop. O, dyan ka naman para makapag-sit din si Rita. Get up. What? Oh, let's go over there. Pull me up, pull me up. Pull me up, ate. Ouch. Pull me up. I cannot get up. Ouch. Ano ba yan? Okay. Go upstairs. Go. Be careful. Ready? Set, go! Woohoo! Me too! I'm gonna slide! Yoo-hoo! Okay. Walk faster, ate! Here! Here! Faster! Yeah, this is a playground. Go up and then... Yay! Say hi! Wow! Yoo-hoo! It's really awesome. Then one more slide. Woohoo! Woo!
So awesome.
Move here on the other side. You don't like it anymore? You change now. You change your clothes. There's a fire. There's a fire. Put on your hat. Faster. Baliktad. Push this one. Evacuate. Alis na kami dito. Finish na yung time niya. And gusto na naman niya, incomplete pa daw. Kasi, di ba daw kami nag-buy ng book? So, we need to go to National Bookstore to buy a book. Kailangan na naman niya ng book. But this will be your last day here in the Philippines, ate. I'm gonna miss you. Kita will miss you so much. Are you going to miss Tita? Really? Galing na naman kaming Watsons. Hindi ko magpupunta dyan kasi nandiyan yung cashier na sinungaling. Nandiyan kasi yung cashier na sinungaling. We are still waiting for Tita Jessa because she bought a lot of eye white products.
And we're going to try
And we're going to open this. Nag-swatch ako ng mga lipsticks na review natin.
About 20,000 kasi suot mas
That's okay now. Eat. Bumili ako kanina ng payless na socks para sa kidzuna ni Bebe kasi kailangan ni Bebe. Can you please give me some? We are going home na, guys. Say bye-bye. What did you buy? What did you buy? What? Skittles na naman ang binili niya. Walang katapusang Skittles. Naging favorite na din niya yung Skittles. Tapos kanina sa Zago, marang ko na. Ma'am, wala na pong sago. Okay lang po. Plain na lang po. Wala na daw sago. Ang tanas. Sabi kong ganyan. Tapos ito na. It's okay. I will just put Skittles inside. Creative ang antana. Yan yung mga pagkain ng mga dogs. Nag-shopping na sila para kila Maxi at Sassy. Yan. Walay pera. Hindi makapuntang pen shop. Buti pa yung mga dogs, may mga sure ng kakainin. Yung taong matitira, wala pang pagkain. Nantanan, kawawa naman si tita. Kawawa si tita. Ang bayad ng bills. Doon pa po, sir. Doon pa po.
Driver, ayusin mo naman.
Hala. Matukulan tawin. Ayan yung binili namin kanina sa National Bookstore, guys. Talagang hindi lumalagpas ang SM day namin na wala siyang nabibili sa National Bookstore. What did you buy in National Bookstore? A coloring book and yung this is the Prince and Princesses and mura lang to eh. Parang 59 pesos lang to. 59.75 lang siya. Tama. Oh, yung galing na niya mag-color, oh. Sabi ko, tapos bumili siya ng ng crayons niya. Tingnan nyo naman.
Tingnan mo, oh.
Putol na agad.
Violet yung ito niya.
Putol na.
Tapos yun ang green. Tapos yung hands niya hindi green.
Brownish. Yung
Brown
parang
ang
white.
ano niya,
Ganon.
Etong niya, etong etong sa may parang palda niya, green.
Eh, sabi ko kasi,
Yun, violet.
di ba yan yung gagawin mo dapat sa airport tsaka sa airplane?
Paano walang violet? Susapo, barbaro pala natukkolan.
Wala ka nang gagawin bukas sa airplane. Ubus mo na. Mauubos mo na yan tonight sa inipis nito. Ilang pages lang nito. Magpe-print na lang. Ay, magpe-print pa pala ako ng para sa tag ninyo. Let me do it now. I will close this vlog na guys, and mag-edit pa ako after ko na i-close kasi Thursday ngayon, Friday, tomorrow nasa airport ako, and then baka gabi na or madaling araw na kaming dumating dito ng Saturday. And Saturday, magsisimba ako ng morning, and then afternoon, may duty ako sa hospital. After ng duty ko ng 11, back to travel na naman tayo papuntang Manila. May mga asikasuhin kami doon, and then hatid ko din sila tita ko sa airport. So 3 days ako sa Manila. Maybe we'll stay in Makati. Ayun. And then, on 10th, uuwi ako dito sa Pangasinan. And then, on 11th, I will go to Baguio. And then, 12, jujuti ako. 13, magfi-film ako. Ayan. Nagawa ko na yung mga dapat kong gawin. I mean, na-plan ko na yung mga dapat kong gawin. So, hopefully lang, things will go on as planned. Kasi alam mo naman, madaming drawing na plano, di ba? So, yun lang guys. I will edit now, and I hope you enjoyed watching this simple vlog of us. And this will be my last night together with Baby Girls, no? Kasi tomorrow, she will be leaving us na. They will be leaving me here alone dito sa Pilipinas. Not alone naman, kaso yung mga grandparents ko kasi nasa Ilocos sila, so I will take care of them as well. Yung si lolo at lola ko sa father side, tas si lola ko sa mother side andun. So yun guys, I hope it will work out na, it will turn out na okay ang magiging okay ang lahat. Basta let's see. Tomorrow I will be officially unmarried, independent working woman. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys on my next video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and like this video, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one. Bye.
Listen to my heart beat, beat, beat. Saying, do you love me, me? But I'm not here alone, so I put you in a song.